Okay, the second part of the first question is the content design before and after result ranking, etc. So when when this particular website was given to me, I started from the scratch. The first thing, it is important that you should have a plan for multiple location businesses. So the first thing, the content strategy which I implemented, that I designed a location specific landing page, one dedicated city, you know, page per city. I mean, one dedicated page per city or per location. So this was my first strategy, and each location page must include uh, unique introduction, localized service description, nearby landmark, and primary services, etc., which I included in the landing page. So it was almost like a NAP, name, address, phone number on the pages embedded on the Google map as well. So with a strong CT, as you can see in the localized page, which I did in Canadian Asphalt, like content. And as far as the content structure, when it comes to content material comes, then I include why the service matters most in that particular city. What is the climate? What is the local bylaws or regulations, if any, and real example of the project which I have done. Okay, so this was my strategy for the local page, location based pages. And that particular landing page, to enrich that page, I have a blog post section which has a local intent. Like, I have created the blogs with the title like Best Time for Driveway Sealing in Burlington, Common Mistakes Done by Property Owners when they're dealing with the driveway sealing. So, and this page is trust, it has some trust and authority content as well. The pages are attached with the about us, our process, why to choose us, our case studies. So all these things was the content strategy which I implemented. And when it comes to from a design point of view, so I sit with the designer and decided to have a clear header drop down to select a clear accessible menu structure first, and a clear header drop down to select your own cities or service area page with the city cards to avoid um, auto redirects, etc., for bad SEO, which usually user does with dealing with the WordPress websites. So a consistent layout. I took the help from designer as well. I sit with the designer developer, explain my ideas, discussed, did a lot of brainstorming based on the algorithm of Google, and most important, I use same page template to maintain the design consistency, the same text format, the same uh, images taken by me with the taken by the client with the project, and FAQ section per location. So the local, visual proof I included, which increases my result very much. So a local visual proof like real project image, city specific background image, before and after photo of the services given, and don't forget that on each page I had a strong call to actions like call out or email or free code or local phone number. And apart from all these, I focus on schema markup as well with the Google business profile per city service area, and location page you are linked in the GBP as well. So NAP structure everywhere in the local citation sites as well. And apart from all these, I strictly focus on the technical SEO point of view, sitting with the designer, developers, and explaining them that I need, you know, no canonical issue. I want that non www and www version all should be redirected to one URL so that no robots, no sitemap, no 404 page, no broken links. So all these things I did, and fortunately, I got the page in the first page for each of the keyword. Almost, I think it's a 14 or 15 location and 15 types of services. There is 225 keywords, and out of 225 keywords, I think 170 plus keywords are in the top page. Some of them are 100 keywords are in the top three positions as well. So this is the whole strategy for a service area, multiple location business. And after doing all these, consistent backlink strategies follows. Lots of various different methods I did on the 50 methods I did for the backlink strategy. And this way I achieved the organic ranking top page. So this was the whole strategy. I hope I answered all your questions. Thank you very much.